Diabetes is a chronic non-communicable disease characterized by elevated glucose levels in blood. It is a global health problem with rising incidence in all parts of the world. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to chronic kidney disease, blindness, heart attacks, strokes, and limb amputations. Diet plays a significant role in controlling blood glucose levels in individuals with diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. In fact, the management of diabetes starts with dietary modifications, alongside other lifestyle changes such as regular exercising, quitting smoking, and weight loss. It is important to keep in mind that a diet of a diabetic individual should not be a restricted one, but rather a well-balanced one. So, in this video I will discuss 6 types of food you can eat safely if you have diabetes. Foods high in protein. Lean meat, chicken and poultry, fish, eggs, nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, and hazelnuts, and meat substitutes such as tofu are excellent sources of quality protein. They have a very low carbohydrate content. Therefore, they do not increase your blood sugar levels after a meal. Additionally, protein-rich foods make you feel full for a longer time, which prevents overeating. Plant foods like legumes are also good sources of protein. However, they should be taken in moderation as they contain a lot of carbohydrates. Avocados. Avocados are a great food for diabetic individuals. In avocados, most of the carbohydrates are in the form of fiber, which is not absorbable into the body. So, the net carbohydrate content is very minimal. Additionally, avocados are rich in healthy fats, which improve your overall health. Avocados are filling and therefore, they prevent overeating. Yogurt and cheese. Yogurt and cheese are good sources of many important nutrients, including proteins and fat, minerals like calcium, and essential vitamins. They are low in carbohydrates and aid in weight loss as well. Whole grains. Regular consumption of whole grain foods such as whole grain breakfast cereal, oatmeal, dark bread, brown rice, added bran, and wheat germ has significantly been associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This is attributable to the higher amount of fiber in these foods. Vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, kale, spinach, carrots, peppers, and tomatoes are rich in fiber and do not raise blood sugar levels significantly. They also provide important minerals and essential vitamins as well. Fruits. Certain fruits increase your blood sugar levels significantly, while some do not. If you are a diabetic, you can eat the following fruits safely: apples and pears, citrus fruits, grapes, apricots, berries, and pomegranates. Finally, it is important to keep in mind that if you have diabetes, you should always consult a healthcare professional to take medical and nutritional advice. This video is made for educational purposes, and one should not take the information in this video as medical and nutritional advice. Thanks for watching. Hope someone found this video helpful.